Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 PaperMatte. And now in this video I'm going to show you how to record screen with microphone audio. Guys, at the very beginning just open the control panel and find here screen recorder. If you don't have it, click on edit button and add screen recording from here. But I have it here, as you can see. So to set up your video recording, so first of course you should press on the record button, and here, as you can see, we have mic button, right? So here we have other settings, for example show touches or not, but here we have mic and you can enable it or disable. So now, for example, when I'll start video recording, as you can see, microphone is enabled, and now I'm recording video with my voice. For example, we can check it. As you can see, microphone is enabled, and now I'm recording video with my voice. As you can see, it works. Hope I helped. Please consider to leave a like and a comment below. See you.